Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video of How to Studio. Before getting into the details of this video, please subscribe my channel so that I feel supported by you and I am able to produce such videos in the future for you. Today I will discuss Honda n-wgn range sign that appears in the dashboard panel. Let me show you how does it looks like. Uh, let me show it once again. Here it is. Okay, so this sign depicts that the engine oil change is due when it will reach 4500 mileage. It will start to blink, and when it will arrive at 5000, it will show you as a solid sign. So I have already reset it, but one thing I want to point out is that you won't find this information over the internet by searching Google or anything. It is only available in the manual of this car, which is in Japanese, and it is you will have a hard time interpreting it in English. So I have gone through that, and let me show you how are we going to reset it. One more thing I want to point out is that it will always reset to 5000. So let's have a look at it. How are we going to do? Here is the start button, and here is the reset button. So we will have to keep the reset button pressed, and besides that we are going to press the start button, and the start button will be pressed twice until we reach at the second point of ignition. We are not going to start the car, but instead we will push the start button twice so that we get to the second point of ignition of the car. So let me show you how are we going to do it. I am keeping it pressed. Okay, so it's now visible, and right now I have 4700 kilometers left in to have the engine oil changed. The range sign is also blinking. Okay, so have you seen that it has once again reset to 5000. Let me show you once again. I have pushed the reset button, and now I will push the start button for once, and now I am pushing the start button for the second time. And now keep the reset button pushed, and you will be able to see the engine mileage, so it is 5000. In order to reset it once again, I will once again push the reset button for few seconds. I think it's about 3 to 5 seconds that you have to keep it pushed, and it will reset once again to 5000. So this is a general procedure to have the engine mileage reset, and although it is very common functionality that we have to go through, but this information is not available. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and this video also applies to Honda N1, Honda n-wgn custom, which is my car actually. It also applies to Honda n-wgn simple. So please do remember to subscribe my channel so that I keep on producing such videos for your interest. Okay, thank you very much. Bye guys.